Hello, this is Rick Winter from ECLA. I'm adding another training about editing a report to add funding year at runtime. So first step is to start SUG. I go to Chrome and type in sugar.eclacolorado.org. If you need your username and password, it will ask you for that. You want to click on Reports. And again, your reports may be on your module menu here, or it may be on the More Reports button, the down arrow here. In my case, it's on Reports. And the name of the report I'm editing the report we did previously in this webinar, but if you can't find it, right now it's at the bottom of the list because it was the current reports I was using. So I will do present SUG dash for the SUG reports that we're doing in this group. And search. And here is the report right now. I'll click the report. Scroll down to the name of the report, and it was SUG, Coaching Hours and Funds Remaining. Next step would be to click on the down arrow to the right of the report and choose Edit. So here's the Run report. Click on the down arrow and choose Edit. Actually, it was Run Report button, so I'll correct that. So click on the down arrow to the right of the Run Report button and choose Edit. The report opens with the runtime filters that were created when the report was created. We're going to add a filter to allow us to choose the ending date of the funding stream. So in the Related Modules box, we'll click Funding Stream. So over here is the Related Modules box. I'll click Funding Stream. The list of fields related to that opens in the box below that, Available Fields box. I want to go to End Date, so I click that. You have to be careful if you double click, it will appear more than once. So in this case, because I clicked and then double clicked, it appeared 3 times. I'm going to hit this minus on the right side to get rid of the field and then get rid of it again. In the filter area, so we've chosen the field end date, and in the filter area we'll choose on after the end date field and then type 6/30/2016 for all those funding streams that end on June 30th, 2016. On is already selected, that's the default, but you could do before, between, etc. We're just going to use the ending date of 6/30/2016. Because we want this to show every time the report runs, so maybe we want to do 6/30/2017 and another time we run this. So I will click the Runtime button. So that's this step, step number 9. We'll choose Next. I have to find Next, which is up at the top. Okay, here is the name of the fields that are in the report. I could add fields from the modules here, choose the module first and then the field in that module, but I'm going to keep the existing ones. Oh, wait a minute, let me add the end date field since it's not here. So we'll do the same thing. Choose Funding Stream. And you can also start typing the name of the field here, and it shows in the available streams. So I'll choose End Date. So now the end date will be the last field, so we'll be able to see that. Okay. And then you can choose Save and Run, and that will save your changes. Okay. And so here is the same report we had before, but it's all those records for the funding stream ending the June 30th, 2016. Because we hit Save and Run, it saved the report as well as showed us the results. Here is that runtime. So if I want to change this to 2017, I'm just editing that and click Apply. And here are the reports for the fiscal year ending 2017. Okay, so again, to edit a report, to add the funding year runtime, start Sugar, click on Reports, find your report and click on it. After the Run Report button, choose Edit, then go to the Modules box and choose Funding Stream, and then in the Available Fields box below that, choose End Date, choose On, and then type the end of the year, 6/30/2016. To make it a runtime, you make sure you check the box Runtime, click Next, and then Save and Run.